Harvey Weinstein. Harvey Weinstein.
Harvey.
Harvey Weinstein.
Harvey Weinstein.
Harvey.
And Harvey Weinstein's repulsive monster.
Sexual assault.
He's fully naked.
Outside the lot. Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
It was painful personally.
And there was Roger
Ailes, professional
and then
risk. There's been this cascade of men since.
I walk in,
And I think what
it's
people
just-
have
and
described
he
as the
exposed
Weinstein
himself.
effect is actually
This
a
was
much broader
outrageous.
swath.
And I wanted it to be okay if I saw him again, and I didn't want him to say anything bad about me.
He goes to the bathroom or something.
There is no girl on the planet that wants to see Harvey
and then he
Weinstein
comes back
naked.
out and
If
he's
I was
fully
Harvey
naked.
Weinstein, I'd wear a burqa,
What is happening?
and I'd say, listen, you don't have to look at me.
How is this happening, and what is he going to do to
We
me?
can keep talking about it. Yeah, we can keep talking about it, keep making it known. People keep speaking up.
How about no more meetings in hotel rooms? You know, how about some obvious things? I have questions about the other people involved. I want to know who is taking these actresses up to his room.
It's obviously disgusting and awful stuff that actresses have to put up with and go through in the industry generally is crazy.
Could you survive? Could you stand up for yourself with Harvey?
More than
But when people
50
say,
women
like,
have spoken out against the
everybody
disgraced
knew,
movie
like,
mogul.
yeah, I
You
knew.
can't change the Harvey
I
Weinsteins
mean-
of the world.
You know, all these guys who do sexual harassment, they're freaks. This big fat guy, what does he think?
Dreamed a dream in time gone by, when hope was high and life worth living.
Women are in a much stronger position, but I think we have to be extremely careful.